Imagine holding a piece of technology in your hands, knowing it's about to completely change how you experience reality, work, and connect with the world. For years, we've been promised the ultimate virtual reality dream. We've worn heavy headsets, dealt with blurry lenses, and tolerated short battery lives, all while waiting for the true next-generation leap. Well, that leap is finally here. Meta is preparing to unleash the Meta Quest 4, and it is fundamentally altering everything we thought we knew about mixed reality. This isn't just a minor spec bump or a lazy annual refresh. This is a complete, ground-up reimagining of what standalone spatial computing can be. If you think the Quest 3 was impressive, or if you thought Apple's Vision Pro was the only way to experience true premium mixed reality, you are about to be proven completely wrong. Behind closed doors, Mark Zuckerberg and his team of engineers have been quietly piecing together a device that bridges the massive gap between affordable consumer hardware and mind-blowing, high-end performance. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on absolutely everything. We are diving deep into the top-secret prototypes, the groundbreaking display technologies, the radical new design changes, the massive processing power upgrades, and the precise release strategy that Meta is using to completely dominate the market. You will want to stay tuned for every single second of this, because later on, we are uncovering a hidden feature that Meta has been actively trying to keep under wraps. A feature that completely changes how you will interact with your physical environment forever. To truly understand why the Meta Quest 4 is such a massive shift, we have to look at the incredible engineering hidden beneath its sleek new exterior. Meta has realized that if they want VR to go truly mainstream, they have to solve the comfort problem once and for all. The Quest 4 features a radically redesigned form factor that moves away from the front-heavy design of the past. By leveraging next-generation pancake optics that are significantly thinner and more efficient than anything we've seen before, Meta has managed to shrink the actual depth of the headset by a staggering margin. But they didn't stop there. The internal component layout has been completely flipped. The battery, which traditionally sat right at the front, putting immense pressure on your face and forehead, has been redesigned into a counterbalanced curved strap system. This creates a perfect 50-50 weight distribution. When you put the Quest 4 on, it doesn't feel like a heavy visor pulling your head down. It feels completely weightless, like a natural extension of your body. This allows for hours of continuous gameplay, work, and exploration without the dreaded headset fatigue or facial red marks. But a comfortable headset is nothing without an incredible display to back it up. And this is where Meta is absolutely flexing its technological muscle. The Quest 4 is making a massive leap forward in visual fidelity. We are talking about custom-engineered, dual micro-OLED displays that push a mind-boggling resolution per eye. This completely eradicates the screen door effect. Text looks as sharp as a printed physical book, distant landscapes in open-world games are perfectly crisp, and the black levels are absolute perfection. Thanks to the inherent properties of micro-OLED, when a pixel is turned off, it emits zero light. This means you get true, deep, infinite blacks and an astonishing contrast ratio that makes high dynamic range content look jaw-droppingly lifelike. Whether you are watching a movie in a virtual dark theater or navigating a dimly lit horror game,